Good evening, students. In today's lecture, we shall discuss about the numbers. In mathematics, these numbers play a very important and crucial role. See, we can form any type of number. It can be a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, or maybe a 4-digit number. But in order to form these numbers, we require digits. Yes or no? So in mathematics, we have 10 digits with the help of which you can form any type of number. Right, students? So which are those digits? This digit starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the 10 digits with the help of which you can form any type of number. Right, students? Now in this lecture, we will try to understand exactly how these numbers are written. Look at this. The name of the topic is International and Roman Numerals. In that, see how do we write the Devanagari numerals. Devanagari numerals means Marathi numerals. Look at this. 0. 0 means it is read. It is stated in Marathi as Shunya. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, students, these are the numbers, Devanagari numerals. The same numbers we write in international numerals as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Yes, students? Very good. The next type is how to write these numbers in Roman numerals. See, students, in Europe many years ago, the capital Roman letters were used as numerals. And therefore, this method of writing Roman numerals is known as Roman numerals. Now, how to write the Roman numerals? Let us see this chart. See, international number 1 is represented by a letter I. 5 is represented by a letter V. 10 is represented by a letter X. 50 is represented by a letter L. 100 is represented by a letter C. 500 is represented by a letter D. And 1000 is represented by a letter M. Right, students? Very good. Now let's try to understand the rules for writing Roman numerals. Look at this. The first rule. If I or X is written one after the other, twice or thrice, we get the number by adding them. For example, look at this. It is I is written twice. It means that it is 2. Means I plus I. That is I means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Right, students? Look at the second example. I is written 3 times. It is 3. It indicates it is 3 in. 3 is written in Roman numerals as I. It means that we are supposed to add 1 3 times. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1. It gives you 3. Look at the third example. XX. XX means it is 20. Right, students? Means 10 plus 10. It gives you 20. In the similar manner, students, tell me how will you write 30 in Roman numerals? If I write X 3 times, one after the other, it indicates that 10 I am supposed to add 3 times. That is 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. This is what rule 1 states. Have you understood, students? Very good. Look at this. Rule number 2. I and 10, that is I and X can be written maximum 3 times repeatedly. But V is not written repeatedly. That is, if you have to make use of the letter I and X, you can make use of these letters maximum 3 times repeatedly. But V is not written repeatedly. Yes, students? Please keep this particular point in mind. It is really very important for writing Roman numerals. Rule number 3. If I or v, that is if 1 or 5 is written to the right of the bigger numeral, then its value is added to the bigger numeral or bigger number. Say for example, look at this. This is what 6, vi. It indicates that, see, after vi is written, it indicates that in 5 you are supposed to add 1. So 5 plus 1 gives you 6. Look at the second example. xii means it is 12. xii means it is 12 in Roman numerals. It means that x stands for 10. So 10 plus, after 10, on the right of 10 we have written I twice. It indicates that we are supposed to add 2 in 10. So 10 plus 2 gives you 12, students. Right? Look at one more example. XVI. What does it mean? This is 10, this is 5 and this is 1. Means this figure is 16. Right, students? So this is what? 10 and vi means 6. So 10 plus 6 gives you 16. What we understood from this example, this rule which states that 1 or 5 is written to the right of the bigger numeral. If we write 1 or 5 to the right side of the bigger numeral, then its value is added to the bigger number. Right, students? Very good. What is rule number 4? The next rule is rule number 4. If the numeral 1 is written to the left of v or x, that is 5 or 10, the value of 1 is subtracted from the value of 5 or 10. But 1 cannot be written to the left of 5 or 10 more than once. Right, students? For example, look at this. IV means what? To the left of v, to the left of 5, we have written the letter I. It means that 1 is to be subtracted from 5. So 5 minus 1 gives you 4. Right, students? This is what 9. 9 is written in Roman numerals as IX. It indicates that, see here, you can notice over here, I is written to the left of 10. It means that that 1 is to be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Very good. Look at this. Rule number 5. Let's try to understand rule number 5. To write numbers up to 20 in Roman numerals, first we have to group the numbers into 10, 5 and 1. And then we have to make use of the above rules. So take for an example 12. 12, we have to make a group of 10, 5 and 1. So 12 means what? 10 plus 1 plus 1. So 10 is written in Roman numerals as x and 1 is written as I. So the answer is 12. 12 is written in Roman numerals as XII. Right, students? Look at this. 18. Look at the next example. 18. 18 means what? Let's form a group of 10, 5 and 1. So here we can make 18 as 10 plus 5 plus 3. So 10, Roman numeral, 10 is represented by letter X. Then 5 means V and 3 means 3 I's. Yes or no? So this is how 18 is represented by the Roman numeral as X, V, I. Have you understood, students? This is how we have to represent the Roman numerals. In the next video, we shall learn the practical problems on the international Devanagari and Roman numerals. Thank you very much.